So I'm just gonna download this Kasa app for my iPhone, and it's loading up. It's downloading. So once it's downloaded, I'm just gonna sign up for the account, create my account, and once it's set up, I'm just gonna go through the configuration through my Wi-Fi, and I'm pretty much all set. So now I have the app. I just opened the app, and you're just gonna have to set it up. I'm just gonna set up the account, or let me just skip what it says if I'm skipping. So if you skip the step, then you need to have a Kasa account to control the device with the Amazon Alexa. So let me just do not now. So Kasa app, Kasa Care, help settings. So let me do there. I'm just gonna sync location only while using, and time zone. So I'm just gonna set it up as the Eastern time, and back here, so no devices. You can see here it's got devices, camera, scenes, smart actions, activity. So I'm not gonna do those individual options. Let's see, smart plug. So I'm just gonna click that, and you can see TP link, and I'm just gonna say smart plug mini. It's not a mini, smart plug. Click next. Check your Wi-Fi light. Wait about 15 seconds or until the Wi-Fi light blinks amber and green. So that's what my plug is doing, amber and green. It's blinking. So I'm just gonna have to go to settings and connect to my Wi-Fi and come back to the Kasa app. So I'm here, my Wi-Fi settings. I'm just gonna click on Wi-Fi and TP link. So I'm just gonna do smart plug. Now I'm just gonna go back to the Kasa app. So I'm just back to my Kasa app. I'm just gonna click that. I'm just gonna keep it my smart plug, and so I'm not gonna customize any icons. I'm just gonna keep it like that. That's not the Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna change to that one, and I'm just gonna put my password. So I just gave my password, and it's pretty much setting up. So you can see here now the Wi-Fi signal is showing green. That means the smart plug is switched on. And okay, so new firm is available for your smart plug. The update will only take a few minutes and will ensure the best Kasa app. I'm just gonna click update, and it's trying to update. While we are updating the app, I'm just gonna get my bulb, and I'm just gonna simply plug my so right now I just plugged in my lamp, and it's plugged now. So now the update is complete. So I'm just gonna click done. Done. So you can see here right now I have this option. Right now I just plug my lamp on. So I'm just gonna, you can see now the green icon kind of turns on. So, and you can see there my Wi-Fi plug, it's right now green, so that means it's on. So I'm just gonna tap there. So now my plug is off. So you can see there this power icon here, it's also off. So if I wanted to just turn it on again, press that icon, and you can see that the both icon is turned on. So it's very easy. I mean, you don't have to set it up set up account. You don't need an account in Kasa app to use this smart plug. But if you want to use it, connect with your Alexa, then you're gonna have to create an account, and you connect that account with Amazon Alexa account, and then you can control through Alexa. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.